nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Did you know, the word Catholic is not a modern invention? It's not just a label. This name has been alive since the very beginning of Christianity. Let's uncover the story. In the 1st century, Saint Polycarp, a disciple of the Apostle John, already used the word Catholic to describe the Christian faith. But the roots go even deeper. In the Acts of the Apostles 9:31, we read, "Then the church throughout Judea, Galilee, and Samaria enjoyed a time of peace." In Greek, the phrase is Ecclesia Katholos, the church according to the whole. From this comes the word Katholikos, meaning universal or complete. If translated consistently, the verse could read, "The Catholic Church in Judea, Galilee, and Samaria enjoyed peace." But the first official use of the name, Catholic Church, came in the year 107 AD. Saint Ignatius of Antioch, bishop and martyr, wrote in his letter to the Smyrnians, "Wherever Jesus Christ is, there is the Catholic Church." Why did he write this? Because false teachings were spreading. Docetism and Gnosticism denied that Jesus was truly God made man. Ignatius boldly declared, "The Catholic Church is the one true church founded by Christ, distinguished from heresies." He emphasized the role of bishops, priests, and the Eucharist, signs of unity and fidelity to Christ's teaching. From then on, the Catholic Church was known as the Universal Church, led by bishops, preserving the fullness of the faith. But what does Catholic really mean? It carries three powerful truths. Universal people of God. The Church is not for one tribe or nation. It embraces all peoples, languages, and cultures, just as Revelation 7:9 describes, a multitude from every nation before the Lamb. The whole truth. The Catholic Church does not pick and choose doctrines. It preserves the entire teaching of Christ. As St. Paul wrote in Colossians 1:25-28, the Apostle's mission is to proclaim the Word of God in its fullness. For all time the Catholic Church has existed from the 1st century and will remain until the end of time. It continues Christ's Great Commission. Go and make disciples of all nations, Matthew 28:19-20. Today, the Catholic Church is present in every country on earth. Missionaries still go forth, spreading the good news, building the family of God that transcends borders. But remember, the name, Catholic, is not opposed to Christian. Acts 11:26 tells us that the disciples were first called Christians in Antioch. Christian means follower of Christ. Catholics are Christians, living the fullness of that name, preserving the faith handed down from the apostles. So when we say, Catholic, we proclaim, I belong to the one, holy, Catholic and Apostolic Church. The Church founded by Christ. The Church that unites heaven and earth.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.